Hello children, you are from grade 2 and you are going to learn lesson from literature reader book, okay? And this is lesson number 6 and the topic is letter to a daughter, okay? Letter, letter, TO2 a DAUGHTER, daughter, letter to a daughter. So, this is the lesson and letter to a daughter, and this is the perfect letter written by his father. Father name is Narayana Murthy. Okay, father name is Narayana Murthy, and he written letter to his daughter Akshata. Okay, Akshata, Akshata. Okay, so how the problems came after his daughter's birth, how he faced all the strugglings after her birth. So this is the letter he have written all those memories and how he raised up her daughter in a right way. So he remembered all those sweet memories to her daughter, and he is writing this letter to his daughter. We have taken this from the book. Okay, so you are going to learn this lesson. Okay children, daughters are always special to her father, isn't it children? Yes, more than everything, fathers are so special to the daughters also. So the same way here, Narayana Murthy, that means this lesson's author who have written this lesson, so that person, about him and his daughter. Okay, this is the lesson all about Narayana Murthy, Mr. Narayana Murthy and his daughter Akshata. Okay, the full story. Okay, so he is expressing what happened when she born. Okay, that is what the lesson, how he raised up her. Okay, that is the explanation, full explanation to her daughter. He is writing from the birth until now, how he raised up, what are all the struggles he faced, and what all the things happened in her life. So this is the letter he have written, letter to a daughter Akshata. Do you understood children? Yes. So here he is saying, in the first paragraph he is saying, becoming a father he transformed. Okay, Narayana Murthy is transformed after becoming a father, that is which could never have thought possible. What are all the things he is thinking that is impossible, that made possible. Okay, after Akshata's birth. Okay children, so he is not never go back, he is not going back to being the person what he used to be before. The what the things he have used to do before, now he could not do, because which is wrong, he left all over the wrong things and he followed the right thing. Okay, so after Akshata's arrival in Narayana Murthy's life, it brought unimaginable joy, isn't it? When you see a cute little baby in our home, it will be what? Unimaginable. That means what? We cannot express the joy in our home, isn't it? Everybody, each and every person only focus on the child, isn't it? The small baby. Yes or no? If she cries, if he cries, what happened? Everybody will ask why he is crying, why she is crying. And if he laugh, and everybody look after the baby, isn't it? So the baby will bring attention to bring attention by everybody, isn't it? So that is here the same happened to Narayana Murthy also. That is after Akshata's birth, that is picture you are seeing, no, she is Akshata. So after her birth, Narayana Murthy his life became unimaginable joy. That means he felt so much of happiness, and also he had a larger responsibility, isn't it? So it is not very easy to grow a child, isn't it? So it is, there are so many responsibilities, and also you have to spend spend more time with the children, and you have to sacrifice. Parents are sacrificing everything to us, isn't it? So everything for us, so they are spending a lot of time and they are sacrificing, they are going for work and getting all the things, and they are what not they are never fail to be a parents, isn't it? So there must be a larger responsibility. So that is what he is saying. Before I'm like nothing, but now I have everything only because of you. So that means he is saying about his responsibility. Okay, so Akshata's birth raised the benchmark of his life. Okay, that means standard of his life. So in all the aspects, in all the moment, in all the events, whatever may be. So his interactions between the people who is working with him also, it is very thoughtful, and also he is talking measured talk. That means not more than anything. So what is what he is talking about? Okay children, so he felt need to deal with every human being more sensitively and courteously. Okay, before not, he is not like that. Okay, after Akshata's birth only he changed everything. So after all, someday you would go the Akshata will grown up, and also she can understand the world around what is happening, isn't it? So he did not want ever to think that what he had done remotely, that means what he did not enjoyed anything. Okay, he was working, but he is not enjoying anything. So the same thing Akshata is not, Akshata don't want to do. So he want every happiness, he want to enjoy all the moment, so that he is thinking of only Akshata's goodness. Okay children, so Narayana Murthy, his mind often goes back to the initial days, okay, after Akshata's birth. So after Akshata's birth, that means Narayana Murthy and his wife were very young, isn't it? So they were finding very struggle to stand in their careers. That means they have to manage the work and also their children. So they have to spend more time, and also they don't want to leave the children alone. So both the aspect they have to balance. So they are finding, they are struggling a lot to stand in a one place. That means they cannot give up anything, even the child and also the work and also their career. So 2 months after, what they did, they sent the baby to Hubli. Okay, Hubli, that means it is also a country, that means village. So there lived their grandparents. Okay, Akshata's grandparents. So what they think, they cannot manage both, okay, their career and also Akshata. So they have to take care of their child very carefully, so that they decided to send Akshata to Hubli, whose grandparents are living there. Okay, so this is what the decision made by Narayana Murthy and his wife. Okay, it was the hard decision to make, because they have to deport their child. That Akshata will go to some other place and they will stay in some other place. So it will be very quite it is not that much easy to handle, isn't it? So they cannot see their child, and they cannot, whatever it is, they cannot do anything. So she is going to live her early days with their grandparents. Okay, so this is what they decisions they have make very hardly. So every weekend, what happened, every weekend the Narayana Murthy, he will fly from the plane. Okay, from Belgaum to the Hubli. So okay, so hire a car, he will take the car, and from Belgaum he will come from aeroplane, and he will take a car, hire a car to Hubli. So it is very expensive. That means he have to spend more money to come and meet his child in a week. Okay, so but it doesn't matter to Narayana Murthy, but he have to see his child, that's it. Okay, he have to spend time with his child, that means Akshata, with his daughter. So no matter about money, if he spend a lot, it is very expensive, even then if it is very expensive, he don't want to give up that. He every weekend he will travel to the from the aeroplane, and he will take a car, and he will reach Hubli to meet her daughter. So this is what the happiness. He will wait for 1 week to meet her, meet his daughter. Okay, so this is what happened every time. Okay, so later she was growing up slowly. So what happened, when she grow up, they have to teach the quality, isn't it? What is good and what is wrong, our parents are teaching, no, the same way. So he have to teach the qualities what the children have to do. So this is the time he have to teach everything. So he started to slowly, he and his wife started to teach something good and what is bad and what is good. Okay, more than father, mothers are spending so much of time with you, isn't it, children? Yes. So this is the great responsibility for the mother, all the mothers. So the same way Akshita's mother also taking so much of great responsibilities with her. So always she will do good things, and not only by teaching, communicating the values with her, more than communicating, she will do more action. That means she will do the things perfectly, and she will do the all the good activities and show to their children, not in the words. She will do her own. Okay, so this is the greatest thing that she bringing up to the fine individuals. So Akshita is very individual girl, that means that most talented, and also she alone has the individuality. Okay, so only because of her mother, who taught the communication, the more valuable communication by action than talking about them. Okay, she won't talk often, but she will show the good activities by doing action. Okay, children, so this is the way Akshata's mother followed to grow her up. So this, and also she taught the simplicity of life. Okay, the simplicity, she will be very simple. She don't want to what act like anything. She was very simple in all the things. She will handle the things very easily. So all the good things she have taught everything to her child Akshata. So here Narayana Murthy, her father, Akshata's father, is thanking her wife to grow up a good child. Okay, children, so this is what happened. So after that, what happened, only he is taking time, and also her daughter is also spending more time with her father, isn't it? So the both father and mother, they are spending more time to grow up their children, and also value based life. They are giving their value based life, not communicating with words. They are doing by actions. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, now, when she grown up to go to school, she was grown up, isn't it? So now the age to go to school. So now Akshata's father and mother were discussing about how to send to school, how to send Akshata to school by car or some other vehicle. So they have little comfortable with money. They are little comfortable with money. That means they have enough money to send her through car every day. Okay, send her through car every day to school. But only father accepted to send her to school with car. But Akshata's mother is saying that, insisted that Akshata have to go to school with all the classmates in the regular auto rickshaw. Okay, children, see this picture how they are going. So they can spend more time with all the people, isn't it? They can know more than going in car. It is the very valuable time they can spend with them. with their friends and also the society what is happening around her. So he decided, he and Narayana Murthy and his wife decided to make Akshata to go in rickshaw, regular auto rickshaw with her classmate. So that she can make great friends with the auto rickshaw who is coming there, isn't it? Who is traveling through auto rickshaw. So this is the correct platform to teach the simplicity of life. Okay, so once if you practice the comfortable life and then you cannot come out of that. So from starting onwards, if you practice the correct the way of simplicity, you can handle all the things which you are facing. Okay children, so that's what Akshata's mother is also doing. And what happened? She also made great friends with the auto rickshaw uncle who is driving auto rickshaw, and he has made great friends with him. Okay, and also she had fun with the other kids who was traveling in the auto rickshaw, and she find the simplest things in life are often the happiest moment, and it is very free, isn't it? You don't want to give money to get happiness, isn't it? Is there any option like that, children? No, isn't it? So whatever the things happening around you, you make it as positive and happiest thing ever. Okay, this is what she is trying to teach. Okay, so she is saying that the simplest things in life are often the happiest, and they are for free. They are free, not for money. Okay, so only thing you should know how to enjoy, how to handle everything. So this is what she made her to travel to the school. Okay, every time Akshata will ask a question to her mother, why we don't have television at our home. So all the children who are studying with her, every time they are talking about the television shows which they are watching on TV. So why we don't have television at our home, why, what happened? Okay, every time she will ask the question to her mother. So this is although the second decision made by her mother. What she decided, if there is no television in our home, there will be more time to spend in a useful way. That means studying, reading, discussions and meeting friends. So like that we can do our important things and we don't want to waste the time. So if we are having in a television in our home, what is happening, children? Most of the time we are spending in watching TV, isn't it? Unwantedly we are watching something and we are wasting the time, isn't it? We are not spending it usefully, we are not realizing the time, isn't it? So her mother also decided already we should not have television in our home. That means there is no money. That means not there is no money. They have enough money to get all the things, but they are following the what very disciplined life and also valuable life to spend, isn't it? So there is no TV. For this reason only there is no television at our home. See, she is saying. So she is also insisted that it was important to create an environment, that means good environment, favorable and to learning at home. So if there is no television, what you will do, children? You will spend your time in a useful way, isn't it? You will go and talk with your parents and your siblings, and you will draw and you will study, and more you will find more time to do everything, isn't it? So if there is a television, you will sit in front of the television or in the mobile and you will waste total time, the full day, isn't it? So there is no that you don't find time to family togetherness, isn't it? So that will be a productive environment she taught to her child, that means Akshata. Okay, so they will come back from school, they will start there immediately, they will have something to eat, and also immediately they will start their school work, and her mother also there to spend the time, isn't it? And also they also won't sit simply. What they will do, Akshita's father and mother, they will also read books like history, literature, physics, mathematics and engineering, and or they will do their office work at home. And also there is so much of fun, there was so much of discussions, everything. They were in front of their parents, and their parents also in front of their children. So there are so much of time to spend. So this is what the reason she doesn't have the television in their home. Okay, so the first thing, she made Akshita to travel in rickshaw to go to school, so that she made a great friends, and also she understood the environment, what is happening in the society, how she can behave, isn't it? So the good things she is learning by herself while traveling. So the second thing she made, Akshita's mother made not to have television in our home, so that they will spend time usefully. Okay, not spending time in wasting time in watching television. So this is what the great things Akshita's father and mother decided, and they were doing that. Okay, children. And Akshita's father is saying that we are having only one life, and also contented life. It is very beautiful, and we have to, and also the planet is now becoming very endangered, isn't it? So we have the responsibility to pause on this planet, and we have to live the better condition of life. So this is what happened, and this is what they are doing to their child also. They taught the valuable thoughts to their children. So this here ends the lesson, and also he is writing the letter to his daughter, isn't it? So what things happened, so he is writing with so much of love and affection to her, to his daughter. So this is what he written to letter to his daughter. Okay, children, I hope you all understood this lesson and you loved this lesson. If you don't understand, watch the lesson twice or thrice. Okay, and also don't forget to read the lesson after watching the videos. You never give up reading session. Okay, children, reading practice is very much important. How we are writing, isn't it? So that you can pronounce the word correctly, and also you can remember the spellings. So after watching this video, you have to read the full lesson, so that you can understand the lesson better. Okay, children, take care. Thank you all.